Billy D and Billy D's Kitchen, long overdue video on how to make a heavy metal detox drink at home. Some of the things that you're going to need is one, a pink grapefruit, half a cucumber, some cilantro, organic grapefruit, everything's organic, organic lemon from a patient's garden, some local raw honey, sea salt, and we're going to use chlorella. All right, this heavy metal detox is one of the ways to help pull the heavy metals out of your body, especially the brain. I know there's a lot of other methods which we'll touch on in the detox workshop, but this is something that I use regularly to help cleanse out my body. All right, this is something you can do at home. First thing we're going to do is we're going to juice a lemon. Next thing we want to do is prepare the grapefruit. I like to cut it into quarters. Nice and pink as possible. We're going to throw that in the Vitamix. Next, we're going to take a half of organic cucumber. Now, one of the things I teach you guys is about the lectins, so we're going to take off the skin. And what else are we going to do? We're going to take the seeds out too, right? Because the seeds are high in lectins. Then I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm just going to take the seeds out like that. Throw that sucker in there. Next, we're going to cut up a little bit of cilantro. I would go a quarter cup. I don't measure anything. I just throw stuff in it. But if you need recipe, throw a quarter cup in there. I'm going to cut up about. This is probably the best thing that's going to pull some of the heavy metals out. Let's go to our pineapple next. I love pineapples. I'm going to cut off a piece right here, the top part, which I'm not going to use. Put that over there, and then we'll cut basically the skin off of it, like so. Cut that little center part out. Voila, we've got this. Then we're going to get our chlorella. We're going to get 15 tabs out of here. Throw those suckers in there. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of, this is local honey. It's raw, it's insane. Now, if you have blood sugar issues, you might want to limit the freaking honey. And last, some sea salt, or this is Redmond's real salt. Mined in Utah. Just take a pinch. I'll just put a little bit in there. And then we're going to take the lemon juice. Pour that into the Vitamix, and then we're going to get a little bit of the innate water. So you can get one of our water systems to get the cleanest water on the planet. And then we're going to pour some of that in here. All right, we're going to blend this up in the Vitamix. The most important tools you have in your kitchen are your Breville juicer, your Vitamix, your espresso maker. That's it. That's all I got. No microwaves. Okay, so I would start out slow. All right, let's test this out. Grab a glass back here. Not bad. It's got a nice little tart to it. You can taste the salt. Maybe put a little less salt in. Billy D Heavy Metal Detox Drink. Over and out. Try it out. Don't forget about Cal Jam. Coming soon. All right, rock and roll.